Okay, here I am introducing yet another special processing function. You can see that I have three blocks of code now: the setup function, the draw function, and down here at the bottom, the mousePressed function. You set it up exactly like you set up the setup and draw function, and just like you do to the other two, you would be adding code. The difference is that the code that's in the mousePressed block will be executed when you press the mouse. So let's take a look and see what I have here. In the setup function, I've changed the rectangle drawing mode to center. And then down here in the mousePressed function, I'm drawing a rectangle. It's a 50 by 50 rectangle, and I'm drawing it at the location of the mouse. But the rectangle will be drawn when I press the mouse. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. All right, here's our sketch window, and as I click the mouse, you can see the rectangle is appearing at the location of the mouse. Now, what would happen if I added the background function here? Let's just make it a gray background. Well, what would happen is each time I press the mouse, first a gray background will be drawn, which will be drawn over anything else that's been drawn, and then, of course, a new rectangle. So this will look as if every time I click the mouse, a rectangle appears, but we don't see the rectangles from the past. So let's take a look. Alright, as I click the mouse again, the other one disappears because the gray background is being drawn over top of it. Okay, so that's the mousePressed function, and we're going to discuss one more special processing function in the next tutorial.